Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Volkswagen Passat's Bluetooth. First, make sure your car's ignition is on, as the system needs power to operate. Next, grab your mobile device and activate its Bluetooth function through the Settings menu. Finally, navigate to your Passat's infotainment system and prepare to access its phone or Bluetooth options. These initial steps are crucial for a smooth pairing process. Once in the infotainment system, select the phone or Bluetooth option. You'll then need to choose Search for New Device or Add Device to begin the pairing process. Your Passat will start looking for available Bluetooth devices. When your phone's name appears on the car's screen, select it to initiate the connection. This step links your phone to the car's system. After selecting your phone, a pairing code will appear on both your phone and the car's display. Confirm that these codes match, then accept the connection on both devices. Your phone might ask for permission to access contacts and messages. Allow this for full functionality. Finally, make a quick test call to ensure the audio is routing correctly through your Passat speakers. You are now connected. If you encounter any issues, try restarting both your phone and the car's infotainment system. Sometimes, simply turning them off and on again resolves minor glitches. Also, consider deleting any old, unused Bluetooth pairings from your Passat's memory to prevent conflicts and free up space for new connections. And hey, while you're getting connected, remember that a fresh car makes every drive better. Life's too short for a stinky car, so check out the link in the description for little trees, black ice, and other great deals to keep your ride smelling fantastic. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your connected driving experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.